Every organization relies on assets. But without the right system, maintaining them becomes reactive, costly, and inefficient. ROCKEYE CMMS is built to change that, turning maintenance into a smart, proactive, and seamless process. From effortless asset maintenance to predictive insights, ROCKEYE brings together technician management, real-time visibility, customizable workflows, and interactive dashboards. Everything you need to run maintenance, simplified in one platform. The real value lies in the results: optimized efficiency, reduced costs, data-driven decision support, and improved technician productivity. With ROCKEYE, you're not just maintaining assets, you're maximizing their performance and lifecycle. Now that we know the features and advantages, let's see how it all comes together in real operations. Manufacturing unit. Imagine a manufacturing unit, machines running, assets working round the clock. Suddenly, an issue is detected. What happens next? A supervisor immediately logs the defect, creating a work order. No delays, no missed details. But CMMS isn't just reactive. With predictive insights, the system anticipates potential issues before breakdowns occur. A machine signals early warnings, and a predictive order is auto-generated. Next, procedures are assigned. The system automatically generates a work order tailored to the exact requirement. Meanwhile, the technical department manages inventory, assigns the right technician, and supports decision-making with analytical reports. The technician then collects the required parts, executes the field service, and updates the status in real time, keeping everyone in sync. And finally, every order, whether reactive or predictive, ends with proper closure and verification. That means transparency, accountability, and zero loose ends. Let's walk through a glimpse of how maintenance and service come together inside our CMMS, where everything is connected, visible, and manageable. Here's your command center, a dashboard alive with insights. Track work orders, monitor and schedule work order statuses, check on assets and users, and engage with vendors, all in one real-time intuitive interface. Maintenance always starts with where. Location Master organizes and maps assets clearly, so you know exactly where everything is placed and maintained. Every asset has its category, and classification brings structure. It helps you define, track, and manage assets systematically for consistent results. Spare parts should never be a bottleneck. With smart inventory, you always know what's in stock, where it is, and when it needs replenishment. Work orders form the core of CMMS. From creation to completion, each step is tracked to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Scheduled work orders keep operations consistent, predictable, and reliable. Every completed task is documented with responses. This ensures traceability, accountability, and a clear record of every procedure performed. Resources like time, cost, and manpower are always optimized. Allowances help you manage them efficiently to avoid overspending or delays. Users are at the center of the system. Roles and responsibilities are clearly defined, so teams can collaborate without confusion. Vendors play an important role in maintenance. Integrating them directly into the system ensures faster communication and better collaboration. Thank you for exploring the future of maintenance. It's no longer about fixing problems after they happen. It's about preventing issues, improving efficiency, and ensuring assets deliver maximum value throughout their life cycle.